Hi friends, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is day 3 of Vlogmas. That means I'm drinking day 2 from the advent calendar. Today's tea was a black tea from Paris. It was quite delicious and we drank it while watching Emily in Paris, which guys, I am in love with. I love that show. It's so fun, it's so cute, it's so cozy. Good morning guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today it is Vlogmas day 3. I just put on the tea from yesterday's advent calendar, so it's from day 2 because I didn't have it last night. It was also a black tea and I didn't want to have a black tea right before bed, so I'm having it now. In the morning I already have my breakfast, my coffee, and I'm gonna have that tea, and I think I'm gonna go on a WALK because it snowed so much last night. It truly looks like a snow globe outside, so I might go on a walk with Elsa. And then today is a day I want to do a cycling class because I only did one this week so far. I only did one on, I believe it was Wednesday. I didn't have time the rest of the week, so I'm going to do a cycling class either when I get back because I don't want to shower and then go for a walk and have my hair all cold, or I'll let Steve take Elsa on a walk later this afternoon and I will do my cycling class this morning. But either way, I've got to start by making the bed. I just edited and uploaded yesterday's vlog, so if you liked that, comment down below. I did a ballet class yesterday, so I feel good in terms of ballet, so I'm gonna take a break from ballet I think today, and I have to go into work today. However, weather does not look wonderful, so we'll see if it's a snow day or not. If it is, I'll do a ballet class because I'll have lots of time. If it isn't, I will obviously be going into work. So let's make the bed and then I guess get ready for the day. So I actually decided to read my book for a little bit because it's such a cozy day and it's so snowy outside. I'm gonna read my book while I have my tea and then probably do some skincare and then do a cycling class, and Steve can take Elsa out for a walk, or if I'm around instead of going to work, I'll take her on a walk later. But it's just too cozy this morning to pass up reading, and Elsa's also just chilling, sleeping, so yeah, we're both just gonna chill here. Guys, on second thought, she's literally sitting at the door, so I can't resist that face. Do you want to go on a walk? Okay. From our walk. It was super nice. It started snowing a little bit heavier by the time we got home, which was good because we're not stuck in it right now. But I just got changed into a workout set. I'm wearing these pants from Hot Flex, which I am obsessed with. They're so smooth and I just love them. And I'm wearing this top from Lulu and then just a little cozy sweater. I'm going to make and eat lunch, and then I teach at 1 to 1:30. And then from 1:30 until 2:30, I'm going to do a cycling class, maybe Pilates after. And then if I leave for work, I would leave at like 3:30 or 4. So I'll keep you guys posted and just take you along with me, and let's go make some lunch right now. I'm craving soup. Today is a soup day. It's like a warm, cozy kind of day today because it's snowing so much. So as the day went on, the more the snow kept falling, it just did not stop, and we actually got a few weather warnings, hence the reason you'll see later classes were actually canceled, and the title of today's vlog is a snow day. Now what I didn't capture is me absolutely burning the living daylight out of that grilled cheese, so I had to make a brand new one, but it still ended up tasting pretty good. I just had to scrape off the burnt part. It truly felt like we were inside a snow globe. The pets were so cozy. They were cuddling and they were all snuggled up. It was so sweet. Yeah, we ended up opening day 3 of our advent calendar, which I saved for the following day because I usually only have 1 cup of tea a day because I have 1 cup of tea and 1 cup of coffee first thing in the morning. So that's how I divvy it up. I'm feeling brave and I'm going to do a cycling class. I was going to do a 30-minute one, but then I was like, you know what? I'm not feeling that brave. So I'm going to do a 20-minute one and then some Pilates after dance got canceled tonight, so I have some extra time tonight to decorate the tree, clean up the house, wrap presents, catch up on Vlogmas, and catch up on laundry, because I always need to catch up on laundry. But I just changed my wristwatch because I don't like using gold one for when I'm working out, because I don't want it to tarnish since it is from Winners and I don't know the material. But I can also do a dance class tonight, maybe. I don't know, I don't want to push it because I always get tired after cycling, but I do have so much extra time. I say it as it's already 3 o'clock, so I don't have that much extra time. But anyways, I'm already dressed because I taught my online fitness class at 1:30, so let's just go straight downstairs and do a cycling class. Oh my gosh, that was good. I've been loving doing cycling classes, guys. I used to do them all the time when I lived in the city, and we have a bike at home, so I want to use it more often because I always feel so good after. I don't feel good during. It's really hard, and I hate cardio, but I know it's good for me because my cardio has been lack. In a sense, I haven't been doing it, and I can hardly walk up the stairs without getting winded. So that's one of the things I really want to work on this New Year's. And since it's already December, I'm like, hey, I may as well just start the habits that I want to continue into the new year now through the winter. Because if I don't start now, when I get to the new year, I'll be like, well, I've been doing this all winter and this is what works with me. So why not just do the thing that I want to start in the new year during the winter? So I'm more motivated. So it doesn't really change my routine so much. At least that's my thinking. So that's why I've been on my workout game more. I just closed my Move ring, which is super cool. I love having an Apple Watch. It motivates me a lot for sure. So I'm gonna stretch a little bit, and then I think I'll do like some core, and then I'll shower and probably wrap some presents and maybe have the tea from today's advent calendar. I love stretching after cycling or doing cardio because I'm always so like warm, but my hamstrings are super tight today. Like I said, I went to the studio, so I'm always really sore in my glutes and my hamstrings after I dance, especially if I dance at the studio, because I do definitely push myself more at the studio than I do at home because I have more space. So I'm like, hey, I'm gonna do fouettes, I'm gonna do pirouettes, I'm going to do like across the floor and grand jetés and jumps and stuff, whereas I can't really do that at home. I don't have the space yet. I eventually want to turn all of this area into either like a dance space or a workout area. And let me know if you would also like cycling classes. I don't know, like I'm not certified in cycling, but maybe that's something I can do in my free time, or even I can just show you my routine on what I do on the bike. Usually I follow other people's routines. I usually do my own class, like follow someone's class, not do my own class. I follow someone else's class. But I used to do my own routine on the bike back when I went to the gym every single day. I used to do like an hour on the bike, which I don't know how I used to do that because now I can barely do 20 minutes. I used to do a 60-minute workout, 5 minutes of warm up, 10 minutes of cool down. So the 5 minutes was just like easy getting started. And then I would start with, I think I used to do 1 minute going fast and 30 minutes resistance or something like that, or 1 minute on, 30 seconds off, or 1 minute on, 30 seconds, 1 minute off, 30 seconds on. I don't really remember, but it was a good routine. So I think I'm going to have to play around with what I like to do on the bike again. Welcome back. I did not expect it to be that hard, but it was really challenging, which was good. I'm going to go shower because I'm so sweaty and gross, but that was really good. I really enjoyed that workout. It stopped snowing, which is kind of sad because I was hoping it'd be like a blizzard when I was working out, because it's always fun to look outside and be like, I'm so cozy in my home with the candle going. Well, it's a storm outside, but that's okay. I'm sure it'll pick up soon by the time we have tea. So anyways, I'm going to go shower. It always feels so good to have an everything shower, hair, everything after a sweaty workout. So now while I let my hair dry, I'm gonna catch up on laundry because again, classes were canceled tonight at work / at dance. So I'm going to use the night to catch up on laundry and also catch up on the TV shows I like to watch, such as The Empress Season 2. Fun fact, I actually worked in Vienna. I actually worked in St. Polten, but I stayed in Vienna for 10 days while I was rehearsing, taking class, and auditioning and visiting, and I actually got to see Cece's palace, and I love her. I absolutely love her story. I think it was so interesting as a historical person, so I'm really excited that season 2 of The Empress has come out, so I'm definitely gonna have to watch that. So I might do that now while I fold laundry, and it's a show I have to pay attention to as well because it is dubbed. It is all in Austrian, I think they speak. So yeah, I'm going to do that while I fold my laundry. Because I didn't have to go into work, I actually invited my friend Amber over, and work also got canceled for the rest of the weekend, so I will be sharing my snow days in, and the weather, oh my gosh guys, has been nonstop snowing here, so I will be vlogging and editing for the next foreseeable few days. I hope you guys stay cozy and warm. Thank you so much for watching me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.